So when you do these mergers and acquisitions, is that like a separate team, or do you get involved as a CTO?
Yeah, no, 100% get involved. We do have to do the due diligence on that. We look at the technology and how that fits into our technology stack. Obviously you're always looking for companies that can complement our story and our business of what we're trying to achieve in the industry. So it's really important for us to look at that technology stack and understand what the challenges and what the benefits are going to be. But not just that, but also starting to create that rapport with those teams. We really want them to come in and hit the ground running. One of the best ways to do that is to establish that relationship early with them and be able to build that rapport up and get confident in each other. I think it's no different to when you hire someone. You've got to spend time with people and understand what their strengths and weaknesses are. And I think that's exactly the same when you look at acquisitions. And we're just trying to hit the ground and run as fast as possible with it.